good morning, video world. I am in the process. I'm going to redo this bike. This is going to be a fat tire bike. So basically, they get stripped down to just about where they're at now. I normally pull the motor out. I just put cams on this motor so that it can have just a little bit more torque and oomph. Just due to adding the weight of the swing arm and the tire, and the fat tire. No matter what anybody says, they rob a little horsepower from the bike. So I'll stick this motor. I'll do the cams on the motor. I'm gonna put this motor back in this bike, but basically this is what they start off as. I normally just strip them all down to just the wires, and I figure in roughly, I would say probably 3 days, I'll have this will be up and running. So I'll show you a little video of it once I get it up and running. It'll take me probably about 3 days to do it. So until then, bye-bye. Hey, what's going on, video world? I made a video of this bike, actually, I think last week or week before last, and I had the motor out of it. I put some cams in it, and I stopped working on this old fat tire bike because I got so excited. I went out auction and I bought some old used bikes, and I started working on this booster right here. And I call this booster a piece of junk because I built this bike out of all kind of junk. Stole the wheels from one and swing arm from another bike, and then I took the body from another bike, and then this piece from another bike. And next thing you know, I had me a race bike, and I didn't know I'm just gonna call it a piece of junk. That's what I'm gonna name the thing, a piece of junk. But anyway, the boss came and she said, you better start working in that shop and stop working on them race bikes. She said, you got a couple of fat tire bikes back there that you hadn't done anything to. And so long story short, I'm going to catch back up on this fat tire bike. I had been building this thing, and long story short, when I took that other video, I had the motor out. It was actually just a frame with some wires on it, had the harness in it. Well, you can see I went to work. I really got most of it done. I am waiting now. I'm gonna wire in a 1,000-watt stereo system in this thing. Let me see. Here, I got it playing on. You can play it on an iPad or, whatever. But I got it on a telephone. Let's see if I can't get this thing to go here. There you go. Boy. You got Mississippi mud on my boots. I'm just a Mississippi. And that's playing out of that old booster. I want to go back to my roots. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. I'm just a Mississippi boy. You got Mississippi mud on my boots. I'm just a Mississippi boy. I want to go back to my roots. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Say howdy, howdy, howdy. Well, I'll let y'all know when I get this bike done. I actually got to put some speakers and stuff in the back of it. But anyway, like I say in most of my videos, bye-bye.